Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to remove dollar sign in Excel. So guys, it's very easy to remove this sign. You see here I will have one column here and I need to remove this dollar sign in all. This you see all column, I need to remove this sign, dollar sign. So very easily I will remove this sign. So firstly you need to You see here, just I will select this cell. I need to remove this dollar sign. In home tab, you see here this option. In numbers tab, you see here. Just click on this small drop down and click on general. And you see here, this is very easily removed. And the same way you select all and click on general. You see here, very easy and simple way. Just click on here this small drop down and here select general and very easily remove it. So this way you can remove. So thanks for watching this video.